how to use Convertkit to sell digital products. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Convertkit to sell digital products. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is log in to your Convertkit account. After that, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Over here, click on Earn and then click on Products. After that, click on New Product and fill out the product details, including its name, pricing method standard, subscription, pay what you want, or payment plans, price, and currency. Then click on Next. Under the Fulfillment section, select what you are selling. Over here, select Digital Download. Upload your digital product file in the space provided, and then click on Next. Then set your custom domain and page URL and click on Create Product. If you wish to add a discount code, click on Settings, then Discount Codes, and add the code, discount amount or percentage and limit. After that, click on Save. Once everything is set, click on Publish on the top right hand side. You can now share the link to your product by sharing the URL on social media, your website, or in emails. Alternatively, click on Embed to copy and paste the code into your website. So that's how you can use ConvertKit to sell digital products. That's all for this video.